How to make loading bar in Canva. So if you want to make loading bar in your Canva, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Canva application. After opening your Canva, you need to just simply go with elements section, which will be on the left side. Once you're on your elements, you need to go with shapes. And under shapes, I'll just simply go and select a rectangle shape. Select it however you like. Now once you've selected, you need to go with the stroke style right here and then go and select the stroke weight. Once done, you can just simply go with your colors and remove the color. Once done, you need to create a duplicate. You can right click and just click on duplicate and you will have the duplicate one, right? You need to keep that on the top. Now select the duplicate slide and then go with the colors, and you can select any color that you're comfortable with. You can go with the gradient one or any option. Like for example, I'll go with this one. Once you've selected, you can simply overlay that on top of the other one. After that, go with animate, which will be on the top, and go with wipe. Once you've selected wipe, you can just simply go and select the speed of it. In my case, I don't have Canva Pro, so I won't be able to adjust the speed. But if you have Canva Pro or Canva Business, you can just simply go and adjust the speed of it. Once you've adjusted, you'll get this kind of interface. It's a bit too fast, but you can just simply go and adjust your speed, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.